Look at his head feathers.
Is it mohawk?
He's out of his element.
Birds are so weird when they walk. Hi. Cletus. Cletus, come here.
Come here, Cletus.
And not just
No, Jack.
No, go play with him.
Cletus. Jack, come on.
You wanna go play with Cletus?
You want to go play with Cletus? Hi. Where's Cletus?
Oh, something like that.
He's trying. Cletus.
Cletus. You have strong legs. I know.
You better not attack
They're
me.
tickled. Mine are just okay. That's
No,
me.
Lauren, just remember, just because he can't
no,
fly
feel
doesn't mean he
this.
can't
Right
suck
here.
out your
See
soul.
this?
She doesn't have one yet.
It's still growing.
It really is.
In my ear.
Cletus.
Goodbye, Cletus.
All calf muscle.
Hello, yes.
Goodbye, Lauren.
Well,
Do not
I
play
do
with
have
Natalie's
some.
No.
Here, Cletus. You play with my phone.
Oh, did you know that I'm actually pregnant with twins? Oh.
Sometimes he like
You
sits
realize
you
they're
on.
recording this, Danielle, right?
I don't care.
Cletus.
This is only going to be fun for the dialogue.
Cletus. I'm afraid of you. Don't come near me.
His wings and trying to attack you.
He would. I don't like. No, get him away. I don't like birds. No, stop it. I swear to God. Please
Birds are
stop.
descended from dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Oh,
see?
maybe it can become a more exciting video if he attacks you.
No, stop it.
Put him in his cage.
Yeah, put him in his cage.
No, where is he? Oh, Cletus.
He probably was trying to land on that.
Cletus.
Bye, Cletus.
Natalie, are you afraid of birds?
Yeah, I am afraid of birds. Thank you very much.